Millions of people work very hard. They wake up early. They save money. They follow all the rules. Yet they never become rich. Why? Section 1. The Promise. Everyone is taught from childhood. The middle class hears the same advice. Study hard. Get a good job. Save money. This sounds safe. This sounds smart. But this advice has a hidden problem. Section 2. Income is not wealth. A job gives income, not wealth. Income depends on time. If you stop working, the money stops. Wealth keeps growing even when you sleep. The middle class focuses on salaries. Rich people focus on assets. That is the biggest difference. Section 3. Lifestyle inflation. When income increases, expenses also increase. A better phone, a bigger house, a new car. More money comes in, more money goes out. Savings stay the same. This cycle traps people for life. Section 4. Fear controls decisions. The middle class is taught to avoid risk. They fear losing money, failing looking foolish. So they avoid investing early. They avoid businesses. They avoid learning money skills. Fear feels safe, but fear is expensive. Section 5. No one teaches money. Schools teach math, but not money. Most people don't understand inflation investing cash flow. Without financial knowledge, money controls you. You work for money, instead of money working for you. Section 6. Time is wasted. The middle class waits. They wait for promotions, perfect timing, stability. Rich people start early, even with small amounts. Time is more powerful than effort. Starting late is costly. Section 7. The real truth. The middle class is not lazy. They are misinformed. They follow rules designed for survival, not wealth. Hard work alone does not create riches. Smart decisions do. If working hard was enough to become rich, why are the hardest workers still struggling?